You good? The two?
How's it going, guys?
Not too bad. How you doing?
Not too bad. We're probably not going to want to hang out here. They're talking about airstriking.
Here?
Oh, shit. Well, they're going to bombard this whole area. Odds are the corner of the building will count. We'll want to get back there. When it's over, we run, take the corner again, and trap them again.
Yeah, we need to make sure we hold this off for another
2 minutes, right?
4 minutes. 6 minutes. 6 minutes.
What are we trying to take for the 6 minutes?
Yeah,
that one right there?
Yeah, it's like 800 points.
Well, that's why they haven't already done it then, because it's an objective right now.
We are all blue here,
We
right?
got that one, and there's one over there that we got. That
right there.
Sounds like he's driving now. What you want to with Chucha? You see him anywhere?
Hey, Jim.
Yes.
Yeah. That's your guy, right?
Oh my God! I just missed that son of a bitch.
That's your guy.
He really jerked that head hard. He's wiping. I can tell.
I can always tell.
He's quick.
Where's that coming from, Chips? You know? Rainbow board? That rainbow board.
The Rasta one?
Oh Jesus Christ! He's gonna hurt himself jerking back.
Oh, yeah.
He doesn't even see. He doesn't even hear it until it hits him almost.
Get a little whip back.
He's got a bucket. Oh, he just jerked his head down. This is a sweet spot, man. There's 3 of them in Whack-A-Mole now. Oh, got one.
Really?
Yep.
Nice. Is that a doorway right there, Chip?
Right here now.
No. So you can't dig in the tree.
I like it up here.
The guys left where we just were.
Next room.
Huh?
Next room. Yeah, they got airstriked.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm filming. Hop on in.
Actually, I'm going here.
Yes.
Yeah! Look, I'm trying to poop up here, Chips.
Jared, don't be a hero.
Load now.
Oh my God, yeah, we're expensive.
Very bright.
Oh, I like that kid.
There we go.
Huh?
Yeah.
You go with me?
Yeah.
I'll go with you. Watch that corner. You're out? You good?
I'm good.
One more right here. Nice shot, nice shot.
Yep.
One more guy behind the bunker.
Hey, is that hit? My hit?
Yep.
Hopper?
Battery door.
Battery door. Okay. Yep. Yep.
Where's that? Let him out.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
Still in the bunker. Still in the bunker.
Oh, come on. Get pissed about it. Let's go. Get pissed. Let's go.
Corner of the building.
Well, there's a party.
I like it.
I think it's a lot of splatter myself. Got a little ball peen in the head there a few times.
Okay, it's time to take blue.
Oh,
Fox is going.
well, whose idea was that?
We got a bunch of them. What are you talking
Yeah,
about?
no
We got
shit.
everybody up there.
We cleaned, yeah.
You run by the guys on the corner.
I remember one guy, yeah. They were trying to hit me and all the balls were blowing behind me. I just kept on going. 2 guys behind the building, I was lighting them up.
Winnebago had like 6.
Yeah. That was fun though.
Yeah, it was.
Now we'll go out to the water. Window right here.
I believe Blue's been sticking their heads out of the first story. Do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do.
Color. Blue?
Blue, blue, blue,
Come on.
blue.
Come on,
Hurry up, hurry up. Get them in there. Get them.
here.
Blue, blue, blue. Blue. Coming in, coming in, coming in.
hang out in the warehouse. Need to hold it up.
Hey, Ann.